Shubhanshi, are you sharing it? The output of this? This is fine. You are right. The question was for Shubhanshi. Where you have pasted it, I know cannot see it. It's take time. Okay. Where I have not pasted the shebang. Shebang should be posted it out. If I don't put the shebang, see it can use the default interpreter. If you don't put the shebang, it use the default interpreter, but generally you should put it. Should we do one more lab if you guys are fine? If you guys, this is the wrong thing, na? Apt-get, there is no install apt-get update. Suppose, suppose I tell you that go and write a script to install Java. Go and write a script to install Java. To install Java. So you need to use two set of command here. So what you will be using it? I'll give you the command. You should use it. One more thing is there when you are installing any package or not Java. I'll say this time I'll give you tricky one. Don't install Java. Go and install the package. Install Vim, not Java. Install Vim. Okay, Java anyhow you know how to install it. Go and install the package. Go and write the script to install Vim and give me the command. Give me the script in the chat. Only three line of command is there. Give me the script in the chat. Chat. Give me the script in the chat. How will you install the Vim? I need the full script. Don't give the command. I need the full script and run the script. Don't give me the command. I need the script. Very good. Jubair has given it absolutely right. You have done extra step only, but one command is missing. Jubair, always remember you should give this way. See, shebang is there. Always remember when you are installing the package, you need to run the command sudo apt get update. Yeah, this is right. This is absolutely. But you are missing one thing, Sai. You are missing which is there apt get install vim hyphen y. Otherwise, it will prompt for yes or no. Your script should not prompt for yes or no. What I mean to say is if I go and run it here, any package installation, I go and run the command here. See, like I run this command sudo apt get install vim. It will ask for yes or no. Do you want to proceed or not? If you give hyphen y, it will never prompt. Hyphen y means it will internally take it and it will proceed it. Okay. So hyphen y is for yes. Is this is clear? Just try it out. Those who are not clear, try these three things. I have given assignment where you need to go and install the package. Very good. Okay. Any other questions? Topic wise, we have covered 7 to 8 labs. Any question with regards to the lab? Some of you are facing the lab issue. If you have the issue with the previous lab, let me know. Update me if you done this lab installation of them, or anyone require any assistance. Just let me know. Write a shell script to find a file. File name is password in etc. Can anyone write this thing? Write a shell script to find the password in etc directory. Can anyone write this thing? Don't use the chat GPT. Try on your own and let me know. Write a shell script to find a file and the file name is password in the etc directory.